Uh-oh, water can gone. So I guess welcome to a new video, and as you saw we have a slight problem. We have a big snowstorm. Well, it wouldn't be a problem if my mom did not have to go tomorrow to the airport. It would be all fine. We would be happy for a snowstorm to have a lot of snow for my mom. But tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the midday, she is flying, which means we have to leave 10 o'clock from here. And yeah, we don't know for how long it's gonna keep going. It said absolute no wind, no snow, no nothing for today. Actually, it said pluses. So yeah, it's now I think 9:30, and if it keeps going like that until the morning, we are, yeah, not good news. But I guess let's start with the vlog and see where it gets us. Hopefully my mom will make it to the airport.
And I check online and it says it's currently 16 km/h wind.
It's not 16.
16 kilometers, almost nothing. Well, kind of, it's like a light breeze.
That is doing big work.
I'm feeling wind blowing here, it's blowing through the door over to here.
From the both doors, like the other door has snow in it, like blown. You excited? You always want to use your tractor.
Uh-huh.
Do you think we'll have to?
Who knows?
Something is banging upstairs. Will there be a time on the airport?
Oh,
Should start traveling.
dann kann man ja noch nicht schaufeln.
Luckily, the snowstorm ended around 2 to 3 o'clock in the middle of the night, and we woke up to beautiful sunshine, so we were pretty confident that we can make it on the road without a problem. But let's first enjoy some snowy nature scenery. So around 10 we left home, and as you can see we are going our neighbor's side because the days before we had a lot of flood that froze, so we were scared to drive on our road. Plus it usually gets really blown over with the wind and the snow, so it was much safer to go our neighbor's way, and they also called and said that we are allowed and we should go from their road. It's pretty good, the road. It's actually very good.
There's some few bumps here.
Oh, there's a big bump. So as you saw, we picked up my mom because she wanted to enjoy the only snowy day that she had and did a small walk. And as you saw, also the dirt roads were not clean, but they were pretty good. But also the main roads were also not clean. Those were a bit more of a slushy because they did throw salt on it, but they were still perfectly fine, drivable. We were going on a very careful speed. And actually my mom got a message after half an hour being on the road that her flight is delayed for I think 1.5 hours. So we did a small stop in a little village that we had never visited before, which is called Jaunspils, that translates to Newcastle. Only problem was that we were not prepared for that, which means that David did not have a hat and I did not have gloves. But we did find this really cute little house that I absolutely loved. We should definitely build one of those at our property. I feel like Alice in Wonderland when she got big. There's presents! I got a present!
It's actually something inside.
No, it's just a plastic bag.
Okay, put it back then. For Santa Claus.
Wait, I can stand! It's so cute! You could make one and then Hoppity could pull it. Oh, that is so cute! That is really cute. That is like not big, but like not too small.
Definitely for small funny or something.
We should make one of those. gonna see my mom again in 6 months. She's gonna be here at end of June. So we're gonna go. We'll see what we're gonna do. You'll see. Bye-bye. After dropping off my mom, we did do some shopping that you will see in another video. Plus, we had to pick up something that you will also see in an upcoming vlog. That's why it got dark, and that was the weather that we had to deal with going back home.
Can't even see the road. Okay.
It did not say snow, really.
Can you see in the camera?
It's not that obvious, I feel. First time I really got a panic attack while driving. That was very bad. Now it's getting a bit better.
No, now it's visible, but it was a point where it was 5 meters
like
in front of you.
I literally, yeah, it was just 5 meters in front, and I literally feel my fingers tingling because I got such a panic.
No, it's building up very fast. The road is gone.
Yeah. Okay, we still have like 30 minutes left. Oh, fingers crossed. And here we go again, 3 minutes before home. At least we're 3 minutes before home. We're on the dirt road. We made it! Whew. Home sweet home. So as you can see, we have the next day. Yesterday was quite of a crazy drive on the way home, and I also wanted to take you with me on a small shopping tour, but we ended up making a full video about it, which you will be seeing coming up, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't. But yeah, we made it home safe and sound. My mom is also home, all good, all fine. But it did snow again yesterday, so I don't know how much more difficult it would be for her to leave today. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of unexpected vlog. I did not mean to film it, but seeing the snowstorm yesterday, well, the day before, I was like, we might turn that into a vlog. So let me know if you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. It's gonna be a shopping one.